The gypsy moth is one of the most notorious pests of hardwood trees in the eastern United States. Since 1980, the gypsy moth has defoliated close to 1 million or more forested acres each year. In 1981, a record 12.9 million acres were defoliated. This is an area larger than Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut combined. In wooded suburban areas, during periods of infestation when trees are visibly defoliated, gypsy moth larvae crawl up and down walls, across roads, over outdoor furniture, and even inside homes. During periods of feeding, they leave behind a mixture of small pieces of leaves and frass or excrement. Gypsy moth infestations alternate between years when trees experience little visible defoliation. Gypsy moth population numbers are sparse, followed by 2 to 4 years when trees are visibly defoliated. Gypsy moth population numbers are dense. The gypsy moth is not a native insect. It was introduced into the United States in 1869 by a French scientist living in Massachusetts. The first outbreak occurred in 1889. By 1987, the gypsy moth had established itself throughout the Northeast. The insect has spread south into Virginia and West Virginia and west into Michigan. Infestations have also occurred in Utah, Oregon, Washington, California, and many other states outside the Northeast. Life cycle. The gypsy moth passes through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult, which is the moth stage. Only the larvae damage trees and shrubs. Gypsy moth egg masses are laid on branches and trunks of trees, but egg masses may be found in any sheltered location. Egg masses are buff-colored when first laid, but may bleach out over the winter months when exposed to direct sunlight and weathering. The hatching of gypsy moth eggs coincides with budding of most hardwood trees. Larvae emerge from egg masses from early spring through mid-May. And here is gypsy moth larvae emerging from egg mass right here.